My name is Reagan Hanna from McKinley Middle Magnet. Welcome to Sincerely Sito.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sito Narcisse, proud superintendent of the East Baton Rouge Parish School System. I'm super excited that we are still celebrating Black History Month. One of the things we wanted to do with Black History Month, as we shared, is to kind of highlight a whole lot of great things going on in our city, people who have made tremendous impact, and also some innovators, right? You know, students and adults who have done some great innovations and try to help our city become big. As a state capital of Louisiana, it's a beautiful thing when we are at the cusp of doing innovation and also at the same time doing great things within our community. I would like to introduce Myra Richardson. Myra Richardson is the executive director of the Black Chamber of Commerce. And being a part of the Black Chamber of Commerce, she's 23 years old and already one of the under 40 folks recognized for doing some great work. You know, being a part of the state capitol, having a young mind helping us to innovate and doing the work is a great thing. So let's invite Myra in. Myra, how you doing?
I'm doing so good, and I just want to thank you and especially the East Baton Rouge School System for having me today. Our wonderful partnership has offered us the opportunity for our first event that'll be happening this Sunday, which is the 20th, and we'll be having the Rolling with the Chamber event, which will be a glow bike ride, a street festival, and an opportunity for us all to fellowship together. The Chamber has welcomed over 300 members, and we've been doing amazing things at the parish as well as with the Chamber with this new leadership, and we're so excited to be able to offer these opportunities for our community, because at the end of the day, we're stronger together.
Well, you know, the thing I always say is we are Black history, right? We're doing a lot of innovative stuff and doing some great things. Tell me a little bit, what does Black History Month mean to you? And also for all these great accomplishments you're doing at this age and still building your resume and also building the great things you're doing for our city.
I think at the end of the day, Black history means upholding the legacy of the things that have occurred and been accomplished, but more importantly, creating Black futures that we have the opportunity to excel, whether it be through educational opportunities, whether it be seeking a job, or even just enjoying our family and friends. So every day I think we have the opportunity to wake up and create new legacies, to create new opportunities. So while honoring the people who planted the seeds of yesterday to give us the shade for today.
So help me understand, what do you see in the future of Baton Rouge 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now?
Honestly, I always see tomorrow. I think that that's the most opportune time to create the change that you want to see. I don't think we need to wait 5 years or 10 years to say that change needs to come to our city. I want to start today.
As a superintendent, I'm so excited to be in a city where we have innovation, pushing the limits, and more importantly, wrapping our hands around kids to do great work. Is there anything else you want to share with us?
I'm a proud product of this community, of this school system, and I look forward to seeing more young people come up and hold our city up, for us to tackle the brain drain, for us to say that you can be the next superintendent, you can be the next Chamber of Commerce, mayor, whatever have you. It's possible when you partner with this district, when you partner in this city, and we work together.
Well, thank you so much for coming by, and we appreciate you bringing your knowledge, your partnership, the community approach. We cannot do this work with everybody. As I always tell folks, it takes a village to do this work. So we're going to give you some COVID updates, and then also we're going to ask students, what does Black History Month mean to them? Because you know, as we always say, hashtag we are EBR.
Black History Month is to me where you can learn all the amazing history of your ancestors, famous people who you haven't learned about yet.
Black History Month means to me about learning about my ancestors and people that I used to care about.
Bye.